What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. After no luck with bidding on cars at Copart and winning them, we finally won us a 2018 Toyota Corolla. I think it's the LE, I'm not sure. Yes, the LE, I'm not sure if that's a higher trim level or a base model, but what you can see is that the damage is fairly easy and should be a quick flip for the channel. Just the front end, so that should be really easy. And I did what all of y'all have been wanting. I cut that mop off my head, but I'm just kidding guys. I've been wanting to do it for a while now. So I got one of my friends to do it last night, but I'm rocking with it. I just hope it goes back before school starts. But I do want to talk about how to buy cars from Copart and resell them for profit. I'm not going to do it on this episode though, maybe in a later episodes, maybe next episode. But in this video, all we're going to do is the walk around, show all the damage, and give it a nice clean. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so starting with the front where all the obvious damage is, I took the bumper off like halfway just so I can see in it, see if there's any other damage that I can't see with it on. But I'm going to talk about all the parts we're going to need in order after I go around the car and do the interior. So I'm going to do this a little bit after. But what I noticed with the door, I didn't even see it until just now, but it has a dent right here and right there. But that's an easy fix, so I'm 100% positive we won't need a new door because we can just pop that out and that should be a simple fix. Moving on, they got some scratches. I don't know if you can really see them, but no worries there. And the tires look good. They got lots of tread left on them. Back here, only thing back here is what is this called? The clear film. That looks very bad, so that's gonna need to be changed. Looks like they got it from Tylertown, Mississippi. And I'm not sure what this means, so if anyone knows this, please let me know because it's all around the car. And I have no clue what that means because I don't really see nothing there, but there's a scratch they didn't mark. This again. Scratches. Let me open up the trunk because there's a lot of parts in there, but I'm not sure any of them are good because like they're all damaged, so won't really be able to save any of these parts. I'm not really too sure what this is. Is it the wheel liner? Not too sure, but like all that's completely damaged. Smashed. Yeah, none of this really can be saving. So we just have to order all those new parts. But I'm going to do the inside first and then show you all the stuff that we're going to order with the front and see how much really the total cost and see if we can make any profit with this car. Oh, and also yesterday this tire was completely flat, but we got that filled up. But I don't think there's a hole in it because it's still holding the air, still lots of tread left, so I don't think we're gonna need to buy any new tires. So that should save us some good money. All right, so the first thing I noticed when I get inside the car is the terrible smoke smell. So we're definitely gonna have to shampoo and use the ozone machine and change that cabin air filter because that smoke smell is very bad. But we got the floor mats. So it looked like this car was fairly new when they got it. Have some bolts on the ground. Not too sure what all the bolts go to. I'll have to figure that out later. But it still comes with the owner's manual. What is this? So yeah. So it still comes with all this new stuff. So I wonder if they got it from a used car dealer and crashed or wrecked right when they got it. That's unfortunate. But other than the smoke smell, it's really clean. So I don't know if Copart cleaned it or what, but we have the windows open just so that smell will air out. Got us a screwdriver. Haven't checked in here. So nothing in there. But we can even go for a test drive to see if everything works good. but let me turn it on. So the car sounds really good. Started up perfect. Front camera unavailable. All right, the AC works very good. All right, so good thing we won't have to change that. All right, so this is definitely will be an easy fix. Definitely gonna have to, this is the only dirty part of the car, so gonna have to clean that, but still gonna shampoo everything just because of that smoke smell. If there's anything in here. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. But overall, the interior is not that bad, but if you remember from the Camry we did a couple years back, I think maybe 2 years ago, that was the worst and most disgusting build we've ever done. It had the smoke smell and it was just disgusting. So make sure you go check that out. But overall, this one's not that bad. Just other than the smoke smell, we just have to use the ozone machine and scrub. But now I'm going to talk about what all new parts we're gonna need for the front end and see if there's any hidden damage that I haven't found yet. All right, so this car is definitely gonna give me more experience with painting because when we get our new bumper, we're probably gonna have to paint that and then our fender paint that. So definitely gonna get that more experience on learning how to paint because I still am not a pro at that. Have a lot more learning to do. But now on to what exactly are all the new parts that we're gonna need to finish the front end. All right, so I made me a list on all the parts just so I don't forget on anything, but I'm sure there's obviously gonna be more as we take stuff on and off. But so far, the bumper is in perfect condition, but obviously the bumper cover needs to be changed and painted like I said. But the centerpiece for the grille, that's good, so we can just transfer that onto the new grille. All right, so next is the washer reservoir. It looks like it's missing the cap, but it's actually busted on top and is missing a long neck and the cap. And I already looked it up on Amazon and it's $54, so not too bad. We're also gonna need the fender liner to go up there. Let me actually go look in the trunk to see if it's damaged. Let's see. Don't wanna, all right, yeah, so we won't be able to use this. It's cracked all right there. Yeah, so this is not in good shape at all. I would think they're pretty cheap though, so that really shouldn't be that expensive. But fender liner, and we're also gonna need a new headlight. Let's see if this one looks like it's in good condition. I don't see really nothing wrong with it. Yeah, so that one looks good. So we're just gonna need one headlight, radiator support bar, and side support bar. So yeah, the radiator should not be damaged, should only be the support bars, so that's good. So the AC is not damaged nor that. That's really good news. So this should be a quick flip and we should get this done pretty quick because we might have a new build coming in the next day or two. So we're gonna hurry up and get this one finished. So make sure you stay tuned for that new build. It's gonna be a surprise, but let's get this car washed because I like starting off a series with a clean car. All that cleaned up, clean the outside up. These tires are pretty dirty, but I'm glad the tire's not going back flat, so those tires look pretty good. Also, I don't know what happened to that thing that holds up the hood, so I've just been using this thing, putting it right here, and then holding it up like that, and then it stays up. But everything in here looks good. The battery's good. I checked the oil, that's good. So this is actually a pretty maintained car, besides the smoke smell again, but we're gonna get that all cleaned up in just a bit. All right, I'm gonna make a quick trip to Walmart because I just realized I'm out of my carpet cleaner, and that's the one thing I need to get that smoke smell out. So let's head over there real quick and then we'll be back. Alright, I just got back from Walmart. I picked up this carpet cleaner, and then here's this smoke thing I picked up. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I just want to test it out. And then here's the shampooer. I've been having it for a couple years already. It works really good. So let's roll the time lapse and get started cleaning out this car. I just finished shampooing the carpets and the seats, and it is disgusting. Look at this. Look at the water that came out of this thing. That is absolutely disgusting, but I'm still getting it done. I'm gonna finish up tomorrow, and also don't forget that we have a new build. I think it should be arriving tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that series. And I hope you're also gonna enjoy this series, so make sure you follow us on Instagram at Swamp Boys Garage. That way you get updates between each video and much quicker updates. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.